Dr. Justus Nyamu izoba rya nyuma baziyara mazara kwegese biceka byantunga mu hamwe n'emyanya jetorire otire mu n'emyanya herire umwatano gwamera mahiruzi.
Ivory belongs to elephant. This is a message that I coined. Detaching elephant from the ivory. There was a narrative before there that elephant can survive without ivory. You can harvest. But the science and the fact is the moment you detach ivory from elephant, that's a dead animal.
Dr. Justus Nyamu mazira kira rwetororo mbicweka bitaro mwena mu Uganda izoberi yahendera orugyendo rwo mu Uganda kandi yayamvuka kuzo mu ihanga rya Rwanda yarukuza ku marebi 12 atakagumize mu kuzo mu ihanga rya Congo kugumza mu numuranga go kurwana so kwitenjojo.
He has visited schools in people villages. He has gone to churches. He has interacted with pastors of different calibers. He has gone into people villages where there are poachers for them, that everything was poaching, and he has been able to talk to them.
I had a good experience in Uganda. One, I want to say a big thanks to the government of Uganda through my High Commissioner. We've never had any security hinge or even program because of issues of delay or anything else. We've had a good, smooth transitions from this district to another district.
Omukorgo kumwakiro mu ihanga rya Rwanda gwabanza no kuhanise bendera hagati y'abarinzi b'amahanga gombi nkakamanyiso ko bumwe.
Rwanda has always been a nation that embraces diversity, and today we are thrilled to be the first to host your remarkable team as it enters our beautiful country.
Elephants are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflict. These threats have led to significant decline in elephant populations in recent decades.
Our future generations, and I'm hoping and I know that your work here, Jim, will raise the levels of awareness, not only here in Rwanda, but globally. And we hope that we'll be able to get a chance to inspire the younger ones. They are the future.
Okuchondoza nukoreka ngo mubaro gwenjoje z'urkwitwa buri mwaka mu marindiro g'enyamisho mu cyanga ca East African gweyongera kandi enjojo zibasa kwija kweraho cumwe omubwire bwo misho aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.